What if I told you that something as simple as water could help you make $5,000? Sounds crazy, right? But today, I'm breaking down real, practical ways Americans are turning water into wealth, and how you can too. Bottled water business. Americans spend billions yearly on bottled water. You can start small. Buy bulk cases, rebrand, and sell at local events or online. Profit margins can hit 50% if marketed right. Water delivery service. Many households and offices prefer subscription water delivery. Partner with local suppliers, set up recurring deliveries, and charge a premium for convenience. Even 50 clients at $100 per month equals $5,000. Filtered water systems. Selling or installing home water filters is booming. Affiliate marketing online or direct sales can generate thousands monthly. Americans are increasingly health conscious. Tap into that. Creative angle. Infused water. Trendy infused water, fruit, vitamins, electrolytes, is exploding in gyms and cafes. Launch a small brand or partner with fitness centers. High demand, low entry cost.